integration of the rational function. Question 2x power 4 minus x squared plus 2 over 2x minus 1. Okay, so before you integrate the rational function, first here, find the qx questions and then find the rx of the function using a long division. Okay, check dulu. Yeah. So using a long division, qx here equals to the x cubed plus 1 over 2x squared minus 1 over 4x minus 1 over x. This saja cek answer saja. Okay, so qx equals to the x cubed plus 1 over 2x squared minus 1 over 4x minus 1 over x. And then the remainder of the rational function equals to the 15 over x. Ini cek answer. Okay. Long division, you all check balik you punya LU3 yang lepas polynomials. Okay. Okay, and then integrates 2x power 4 minus x squared plus 2 over 2x minus 1. And here Rx 15 over x and over the x 2x minus 1. Yeah, so you integrates and then answer you here. Yeah, dapat jawapan. Question number 4, yang penting you punya method. Method here, long division. Okay, settle. Question number 4, integration of the rational function. And question number 5. Okay, question number 5. This one you just check answer. Ini saya tak boleh discuss. You check answer saja. And then you check method here. Okay, question A. And here question B. Okay, ln fx plus c. And question A here exponential function. And last here question C. Yeah, and check you punya method. Okay, ini tak perlu calculation Okay, cek jawapan cara. Okay, settle. Question 5A, B and C, and question 6. Okay, question 6, integration of the trigonometric function. Cos 4 for x, and the method here using the double angles. Yeah. Okay, first, trigonometric function, cos 4 for x. So here equals to the cos square for x power of 2. Yeah. And using double angles. So first here, cos square for x. In here. So cos square for x equals to the 1 plus cos at x times 1 over 2. Okay. And then move out the constant. equals to the 1 over 4. Yeah, so here 1 over 4, and then 1 plus cos at x times 1 plus cos at x, and then you expand. So here equals to the 1 plus 2 cos at x plus cos square at x. This one first double angles. Ini saya tunjuk This one number 1. And the second double angles cos square at x. Kita buat dua kali. Ya. Yeah? So second double angles cos square at x equals to the 1 plus cos 16x times 1 over 2. Ini sama juga. And then here 1 over 2 times 1 plus cos 16x. So here you expand 1 over 2 times 1 and 1 over 2 times cos 16x. And then 1 plus 2 cos at x plus 1 over 2 plus cos 16x over 2. Yeah. And then you integrate and then you dapat jawapan sini. Yeah. Question number 6. Pastikan you all buat dua kali double angles. Kalau yang buat satu kali saja, you tak complete you punya solution. Cek balik Dia kena dua kali. First double angle cos square 4x and the second double angle cos square at x. Dia kena dua kali. Kelas pagi tadi dia buat sekali saja. Sekali saja, you cuma dapat half saja. Okay, cek balik Dia kena dua kali. Ya. Yeah? Okay, settle. Question 6. And question 7, techniques of integration. Okay, question A. 5e raised to the power of 5x and 9e 5 to the x power. So first step, you let u here equals to the e raised to the power of 5x. This one, step 1. Yeah. So you let u, and the step 2 here, find the du over dx equals to the 5e raised to the power of 5x. And then step 3, write down the integrants in terms of u, this one. Okay, so integrand in terms of u, 5e raised to the power of 5x, and then du over 5e. And then here you integrate, step 4. And last here, you substitute the value and replace u equals to the e raised to the power of 5x. This one you punya step 5. Kita ada 5 step. Ini saya tunjukkan step by step. Okay, so step 1 here, you let u equals to the e raised to the power of 5x, and then du over dx. Step 3 here, integrand in terms of u. Step 4, integrates, and last here you replace u equals to the e raised to the power of 5x. Okay, kalau soalan macam ini, you kena buat step by step. Step 1 to step 5. Yeah. Okay, settle. Question A and question B. Sama saja. Check. Okay, check method. So question B, x third x minus 7. So here you let u equals to the x minus 7. This one step 1. Du over dx equals to 1. And here integrants in terms of u. U plus 7 times set u. And then you integrate. And last year answer, you replace u equals to the x minus 7. Yeah, this one you punya step 5. Dia punya step dia sama saja, ya. Dia punya soalan dia kita boleh flip soalan, ya, okay? Tapi method dia sama saja, okay? Daripada step 1, you let u du over dx sampai ke last kali step 5. Ya, soalan dia kita ubah sedikit saja. Okay, settle. Question B and then question H. Okay, question 8A. Okay, check check answer dulu. Question 8A. Okay, cek jawapan. Method dia sama saja. Ya, you check you punya u equals to the ln x. And then the du over dx here equals to the 1 over x. And du equals to the 1 over x dx. Okay. And then write down the integrals in terms of u. E raised to the power of negative u du. And then last here you integrate. And answer here equals to the negative 1 over x plus c. Ya, dapat jawapan. Sudah? Ada lagi yang belum sign? Pergi depan. Ramai yang tak ada kelas ini ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, two, three, four. Okay, tak apa. Ni kena kuarantin lah. Kelas lain pun ramai juga. Okay, settle. Question A. In question A, saya ada soalan. This one. Question A, yang ini saya ada soalan. Ini. Negative E ln x raised to the power of negative 1. And answer you here equals to the negative x raised to the power of the negative 1. Apa you buat kat sini? Ini salah sebenarnya. Macam mana you boleh dapat negative x raised to the power of the negative 1? Ini you dapat E, ini you dapat negative x. Apa jadi kat situ? Bagi saya jawapan. This one you punya LUH yang lepas, function and graphs. Below you punya trigonometric function. Apa jadi kat situ? Negatif ln x dan you punya negatif x. Apa jadi? Bagi saya jawapan. Apa you buat kat situ? Dia dapat negatif x. Apa you buat? Bagi saya jawapan. Kenapa you dapat negatif x? Ini. Daripada sini, negatif exponential function, you dapat negatif x. Apa you buat kat situ? Ini cek balik, you punya LUH yang lepas. Function and graphs. Apa you buat? Sini, bagi saya jawapan. Apa you buat? Ini ulang kaji. Apa you buat? Daripada sini, negatif E, and then answer here equals to the negative X. Bagi saya jawapan. Tak tahu. Boleh? Apa you buat? Okay, first answer. Second. Apa you buat? Negative E and then answer here equals to the negative X. Saya nak check you punya jawapan. Apa you buat? Ini mudah saja. Ini cek balik you punya LUH yang lepas. Saya tunjuklah. This one first. Yeah, this one you check dia punya base saja. This one first here, log 10, base 10. This one you cancel, and here equals to 1. Yeah. And the second example, logs E or logs 2.718 and the base E. So here answer you equals to 1. Okay, ini cancel saja. This one E and then ln X here 2.718 you cancel, you dapat negative 1. Ya, dia punya base dia sama saja. Ya, and then answer here equals to the 1 over X plus C. Ya, question A. And question B. Okay, question B. Denominator of function e raised to the power of 2x minus e to the negative x. Yeah. So denominator e raised to the power of 2x minus 1 over e to the x power. Yeah. So denominator of this function equals to the e to the x power. Yeah. So here you cross multiply. Yeah. And denominator here equals to the e to the x power. So here cross multiply. So E here raised to the power of 3x and minus 1. Ya, saya tunjuk ini saja. Ya. So denominator of function E raised to the power of 3x minus 1 and over E to the x power. Okay, jadi nanti you kena tukar dulu. Okay, yang ini and then selebihnya macam biasa. Ya. So here you find the u here equals to the e raised to the power of 3x minus 1. This one you punya first step. Step 2 here, du over dx. 3e raised to the power of 3x. And then here write down the integrants in terms of u. This one step 3. And then move out constant. Constant here equals to the 1 over 3. Yeah. And then integrates 1 over u. Yeah. And then you check answer, dapat jawapan. This one you punya step 5. Method dia sama saja, ya. Step 1 to step 5. Okay. You punya u, du over dx, integrants in terms of u, and then you integrate, and last year you replace u, dapat jawapan. Ya, method dia sama saja. Okay, settle question 8A and question 8B. Okay, and question 9. Okay, question 9. 2 cos 5x sin 4x. Yeah. So here power cos power of 5 and sin here power of 4. Okay, you just check the power and then method is here using the substitution method. So you let u equals to the sin x. Ya, ini check balik you punya trigonometric function yang lepas. Ya, sama ada you nak gunakan substitution method ataupun you gunakan satu lagi method tu. Ya. So here cos 5x here equals to the cos square x and then here power of 2 and times cos x and here sin 4x. Yeah. So cos square x here equals to the 1 minus sin square x. This one you punya identity. Okay. And times cos x sin 4x dx. So you let u here equals to the sin x. This one you punya step 1. Sekali lagi. Okay. And then find the du over dx equals to the cos x. And du here equals to the cos x dx. Du over dx here step 2. And then the step 3. Write down the integrants here in terms of u. 1 minus sin square x equal to the 1 minus u square. And then sin for x here equal to the u power of 4 du. Yeah. And then you check you punya answer. Ini you punya step 3. Each one is in terms of u, integrants in terms of u. And then step 4 here you integrates. Sama saja. This one integrates. And last year, you punya final answer, you replace. Okay. Okay. Yang penting you punya method tadi. Pastikan you let method, you let u here equals to the sin x method using substitution method. Ya. Yeah? Kalau you pakai method lain, memang you dapat jawapan lain nanti. Okay. You punya first method itu paling penting. You cek balik. Sebab this one, question mana ni? Question ni. Okay, check answer. Question 9. And then the method using substitution method. Method ini pastikan betul lah. Saya tekankan method. This one. You punya first sini. Kalau first step ini you all salah, memang jawapan you akan dapat lain daripada lain. Ini ya. You punya ini. Okay. Yang lain tu you buat macam biasa saja. Okay. Okay, settle. Question 9. 2 cos 5x sin 4x and method using substitution method. Okay, and question 10. Okay, question 10. Question 10A, using integration by substitution. Soalan A ni kita punya method kita dah tetapkan. Jadi nanti you pakai method ini saja. Jangan pakai method lain. Ya. Kalau you pakai method lain, confirm salah. Ya. Sebab kita dah tetapkan. Okay, jadi you all pakai method ini sahaja. Nanti cek balik masa exam, better you all baca dahulu soalan. Kalau kita tetapkan, you pakai saja. Kalau tak ditetapkan, it's up to you. You boleh pilih. Ya. Jadi baca dulu soalan. Ya. So question here, 2x square minus 1 over x minus 1 cube and total marks equals to the add marks. Yeah. So first step, sama sahaja method. So you let u here equals to the x minus 1. This one 1 marks. Okay. And then x here in terms of u and find the du over dx. This one 1 marks. Yeah. Okay. And then the substitute u in terms of u. This one. Integrants here in terms of u, this one 1 marks, 1 markah. 2u plus 1 square minus 1 over u cube. Yeah. And then expand 2u square plus 4u plus 1 over u cube. This one punya dapat 1 marks. Okay. And then write down into 3 terms. 2u square over u cube plus 4u over u cube plus 1 over u cube. Yeah. And then answer you here, you dapat 1 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lagi 3 markah. Last kali. Ini ya. Last bawah ini. Kalau betul semua ini, you dapat 3 markah. Okay. In this one 1 marks. This one 1 marks. This one 1 marks. And then you punya C ni jangan tinggalkan. Ya. Kalau C tu you tinggalkan, kita tolak markah. Ya. Plus C. Ya. Okay, check answer. Method dia sama macam tadi. You punya step 1, U here equals to the X minus 1. And then you find the du over dx. Step 2. So du over dx here equals to the 1. And step 3, integrants in terms of u, 2u plus 1 minus 1 over u cube. And then you expand, and then you write down the answer, dapat jawapan. Dia punya step dia sama saja dengan question 7 dan question 8 tadi. Sama saja, step 1 to step 5. Cuma diubah function saja. Ya. Okay, cek balik solution. Okay, cek answer. Cek dia punya solution. Okay, dan dia punya markah sekali. Okay, check you punya first step. You punya first step tu paling penting. You punya U dan you punya DU over DX. Yang lain tu you buat macam biasa saja. Ya. Okay, settle. Betul semua. This one you all dapat 8 markah. Mudah saja. Ya. Okay, settle. Question A and the question B. Question B sama. Question B, 2x square minus 1 over x minus 1 cube. Ini you punya solution daripada question A tadi. Kita just copy and paste. Ya. And the first value of A here equals to 3. And the second value of B equals 2. So this one, the first value, substitute 3 into the function. So this one 1 marks. And then you substitute 2 here, 1 marks. And last answer 3.7613, 1 marks. Yeah. Answer here at least 3 or at least 4 decimal places. Biasa kita dalam exam kita tetapkan kebiasaannya paling kurang pun at least 3, ya, ataupun 4 decimal places, ya. Kalau you letak sampai 3.76, you tambah lagi belakang sini. Okay, at least 3 ataupun 4, ya. Okay, question B, 3 marks. Ini mudah saja, ini calculator. Okay, question, saya buka soalan. Question 4 to question 10. Ada soalan sebelum kita teruskan ke question CLO1. Soalan saya buka dahulu. Ada soalan sebelum kita teruskan. Sini, question. Ada? Tak ada. Sebelah sini, question. Ada soalan? Tak ada. Faham? Okay, good. Yang dalam MS Team, ada soalan? Tak ada. Okay, good. Kita teruskan. Okay, settle. Question 4 to question 10 and question 1. Okay, question 1, question CLO1. Okay. 3 marks. Ini ambil jawapan saja. Saya tak perlu discuss lah. Yang mudah ni saya tak perlu discuss, ambil jawapan. Okay, check answer. Question C1 CLO1. Question macam ini you all just bagi final answer saja. State the final answer, dapat 1 markah. Tak perlu calculation, tak perlu discuss. Ya, bagi jawapan, 1 jawapan cukup. Ya. Okay, settle. Question 1 and question 2. Okay, question 2. Find the first derivative using a quotient. So y here equals to the 10x over 5x squared. Yeah. So here you check the value of u equals to the ln x, and the v here equals to the 5x squared. Ini pakai formula, ya. And then you find the first derivative, dy over dx here equals to the 1 minus 2 ln 10x over 5x cube. Ini you punya LU1 dahulu, kita pakai balik. Ya, ini sangat tak ada masalah. Question 2. Okay, and then check. Okay, and the question B. 1 minus 2 ln 10x times 2 over 3x cube. Yeah. So here multiply both sides with 10 over 3. Ini ya, you check 10 over 3. And then you punya answer here 2 ln 10x over 3x square plus C. Dapat jawapan. Ya, ini pun mudah saja. And then last here question number 3. Okay, cek jawapan. Yang dalam MS Team jangan keluar dahulu. Saya nak download dia punya internet. Jangan keluar dahulu. Kejap. Wait.